we all ready? Okay. So, you may take your hand off her head, yes. All right, so yesterday we learned and we talked about something new. Hannah was not here, so maybe we can catch her up a little bit on what it was we talked about yesterday. Matthew, do you remember? That's right, we talked about special words called homophones. And what did we learn that a homophone is? Amelia? Right, so it's two words, sometimes even three,
Yes.
that sound the same, but look differently, so they're spelled differently. There's something else we need to remember about them too. Not only do they look different, but what else? Mila, honey, don't spill water on the carpet, please. Put the top on your bottle. Thank you. Ella?
That they sound the same, but they're not spelled alike.
Right, and one more thing. Do you remember what the other thing is? Alea? Absolutely, they mean different things. Good job, guys. And we had a lot of fun, I think, coming up with some of these and looking at these pictures. Do you remember how we talked about some of these yesterday? We talked about how this is meat, and it's meeting the other meat, which is kind of silly, right? And we had some good laughs over the bear. Yeah, I thought so. Okay? And I think the other one that we kind of liked was the one about the knights, because that kind of goes along with our school. Okay? Keaton, you have a beautiful hand. You got to use it, okay? So we talked about the knights and how at night, right, it's the same word. It sounds the same, but it means something different. So today we have a very important job, okay? We were supposed to do this yesterday. I think we were having too much fun with our author stuff yesterday, to look for homophones. So we're going to try to create a list of some homophones that you guys can think of that we're going to do some work with in just a minute. Does anybody have some homophones that they think they could add to our list? Annie?
You like the letter U.
Remember I talked to you about that yesterday. What did I tell you yesterday? She didn't like my answer yesterday.
Yeah.
What did I tell you about you and you?
They don't work because one's not a word.
Right. The letter U isn't a word. It's just a letter. But I do like the way you're thinking. Okay, do you have a pair? Okay, what kind of one and one?
Like the word one and the number one and like all those other different kinds of ones that get expanded for one, and all that other stuff.
Well, remember, we can't use numbers on our homophone chart. Just like we can't use letters, like what Annie was saying.
This is really hard.
But Keaton's on to
Keep
something.
thinking, yeah.
Can anybody follow up with what Keaton's saying about one? Because we definitely can add that to the chart, but I need you guys to know why.
This is
Hannah?
Because you can write it like O-N-E or O-N.
Is,
That's wrong.
well, not quite. Not quite. Matthew, help us out. Hang on. Did everybody hear what Matthew said?
No.
So smart.
Okay. Make sure you're listening.
He's a little far away.
Okay. Let me repeat it for you, Annie. Okay.
Okay.
He said the word one can mean like you won something, like a prize. Or there's the word one for the number. So great job, Matthew.
Oh,
Good
okay.
Okay. Raise your hand if you have another set of homophones we can put up here. Matthew, I'm going to come back to you, okay? Aiden, do you have one?
I have like a joke kind of
Okay, give it a try. Because we might still be able to put that pair up here. What? Okay, yes, it's a joke, but are there two of the same word in that joke that adds to our homophones?
No.
Good thinking, though.
Oh, I get it. I Good job. I get it.
I don't think it works for our homophones. Am I right, Miss
Yeah,
Baker?
it
Yeah.
doesn't.
Okay, thank you.
It
All
doesn't work.
right.
It doesn't work.
Annie? Thank you. Sophia?
Piece of cake, like a piece of cake, and like you gave us homework, and it's a piece of cake.
She's thinking of like expressions. Like,
yeah.
isn't that an idiom?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Put
So,
peace in.
Sophia, you're on the. I like the way you're thinking. You're thinking of ways words can mean, like phrases can mean different things.
Yeah.
But take one of the words that you said. Miss Baker caught it. Take that word piece, like piece of cake. I'm going to put piece for piece of cake up here. Can somebody think of the other type of piece that you might use? Oh, Alea, help me out.
I know what I'm thinking, but
All right. That's okay. We'll come back to you. I like Keaton. Thank you for raising your hand today. What's the other kind of piece?
Like peace, like it's quiet and like it's peaceful.
Exactly.
And I have another one.
Hang on. Somebody's humming in our classroom, and I'm not sure why, because it's a little distracting. At least to me it is. Anybody else?
Yeah.
So whoever's humming, please stop, okay? All right, Hannah, you got another set of homophones?
like time, and the other one is times. Like remember time, like the
Yep. But the thing for a homophone, Hannah, and I know you weren't here yesterday, is that they have to sound exactly the same. You can't change the sound at all. Makes it tricky, doesn't it? All right, Keaton, give us another one.
B and B. Like a bee outside, like a bee outside, and we and like and then like B, just B.
Exactly.
Nice.
Good job. Now we're getting the hang of it. All right, Matthew, what do you have? All right, tell me more.
like you do something and somebody's new to something.
Very good. Look at that. So this one with the K is like you knew the answer. And this one with just the N is like something is new at the store or you bought something new. Good job. Amelia.
Like when your phone rings and the ring that you wear.
You're absolutely right that they mean different things. But you know the problem?
They're the same spell.
They're spelled the same.
Oh my gosh.
I know. But good
Super
thinking.
close.
Good thing. You had one part. Ella?
Like you read a book and then like you book something on your phone.
Like you book a party.
There's so many new words that go into this.
Yeah.
You are correct. That's kind of like what Amelia was saying. They mean different things, but guess what?
They spelled the same.
They're spelled the same. Annie?
Ball and ball, like you're going to a ball.
Same thing. They're spelled the exact same way. Isn't that crazy?
Good. That
Okay,
one
you
behind
just
the tater.
count as
Yep.
all of them.
But do you remember up here?